Types of Google Ads. Hello everyone, welcome back to MoneyGuard. Today, we're diving into the world of online advertising with a focus on Google Ads. Whether you're a business owner or a marketer, understanding the different types of Google Ads and how to use them can significantly impact your online presence. So, let's get started. Learn about the different types of Google Ads and how to use them to drive more traffic and sales to your website. Introduction. Briefly introduce Google Ads and its significance in online advertising. Google Ads, formerly known as Google AdWords, is an online advertising platform developed by Google. Significance: it allows businesses to display ads on Google's search engine results pages, SERPs, and its advertising network. Basics of Google Ads. Define Google Ads and its primary purpose. Definition: Google Ads is an online advertising platform where advertisers bid on specific keywords to display clickable ads in Google's search results. Purpose: drive traffic, generate leads, and increase sales. Explain the concept of keywords and targeting. Keywords: words or phrases that advertisers choose to trigger their ads when users search for them. Targeting: refining the audience who sees the ads based on factors like location, demographics, and interests. Briefly mention the auction system and quality score. Auction system determines acquisition based on bid amount and ad quality. Quality score: Google's rating of the quality and relevance of both your keywords and PPC ads. Basics of Google Ads. Define Google Ads and its primary purpose. Definition: Google Ads is an online advertising platform where advertisers bid on specific keywords to display clickable ads in Google's search results. Purpose: drive traffic, generate leads, and increase sales. Explain the concept of keywords and targeting. Keywords: words or phrases that advertisers choose to trigger their ads when users search for them. Targeting: refining the audience who sees the ads based on factors like location, demographics, and interests. Briefly mention the auction system and quality score. Auction system determines acquisition based on bid amount and ad quality. Quality score: Google's rating of the quality and relevance of both your keywords and PPC ads. Search ads. Targeted keywords: reach customers who are actively searching for what you offer with text ads that appear when they search those keywords. Mobile optimization. Ensure your search ads look great and are easy to use on any device, including smartphones and tablets. Flexible budgets. Control how much you spend on search ads and adjust your budget at any time based on performance. Display ads. Visual appeal. Attract attention with eye-catching images and graphics that showcase your products or services in the best possible light. Targeting options. Choose where your display ads appear based on demographics, interests, and website content to reach the right audience for your business. Flexibility. Customize your campaign based on your specific goals, whether you want clicks, conversions, or brand awareness. Measurement and optimization. Track the performance of your display ads and adjust your strategy to improve ROI and achieve better results over time. Video ads. Types of videos. Create different types of video ads, from short bumper ads to longer YouTube ads, to engage your audience and tell your brand story. Targeting and placement. Reach the right audience with video ads that appear on YouTube, Google Search, or on other partner websites where your customers spend their time. Brand awareness and conversions. Use video ads to build brand awareness, drive sales, or even encourage viewers to visit your website or download your app. Shopping ads. Product feeds. Create a product feed with details like product name, image, price, and availability to show your products in shopping ads across Google. Visual impact. Make your products stand out with shopping ads that feature high-quality images, pricing, and store information. Performance tracking. Track your performance and see insights like clicks, impressions, and sales data to optimize your campaigns for better results. App promotion ads. Ad formats. Create different types of app promotion ads, from standard banner ads to interstitial ads that take up the entire screen. Targeting and placement. Choose the right targeting options to reach the right audience for your app, whether it's people who have already installed it or those who are likely to be interested in it. Measurement and optimization. Track the performance of your app promotion ads and optimize your campaigns to increase installs, engagement, and in-app purchases. Call-only ads. Mobile optimized. Ensure your call-only ads are easy to use on any mobile device, with clickable phone numbers that let customers easily call your business. Direct response. Drive more calls to your business by targeting customers who are looking for specific products or services that you offer. Tracking and optimization. Track the performance of your call-only ads and see how many phone calls you're receiving, where they're coming from, and how long they last. Local service ads. Targeted placement. Show your local service ads to customers who are searching for the services you offer in specific areas or cities. Background checks and verifications. Complete a background check and get verified to show customers that you meet Google's strict standards for local service providers. Pay per lead. Only pay for the leads you receive from your local service ads, whether they come in the form of phone calls or messages through the Google Home Services app. Best practices and conclusion. Offer best practices for creating effective campaigns. Keyword research. Conduct thorough research to select relevant and high-performing keywords. Ad copy. Craft compelling ad copy that encourages clicks and conversions. Monitoring and optimization. Regularly monitor campaign performance and optimize based on data. Emphasize the importance of tracking and analyzing campaign performance. Use Google Analytics and other tools to measure key performance indicators, KPIs, like click-through rate, CTR, and conversion rate. Conclude with a summary and encourage questions from the audience. Summarize the key points and invite questions to engage the audience further. Alright, that wraps up our overview of the different types of Google Ads. If you have any questions or want to learn more about a specific type of ad, feel free to drop a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights. Until next time, happy advertising!